Students, in this video we will learn how to find out the cube root by prime factorization method. Here we can see that question is we have to find out the cube root of 74088. So we will prime factorize this number till the time we get 1. Now we can see that prime factors of 74088 can be grouped by making the group of 3. So we can see here that there is one group of 2, another group of 3, and then another group of 7. So to find out the cube root, we will take out one number from each group. So from this group we will take out 2, from this group we will take out 3, and from this group we will take out 7. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 7 makes 42. So ultimately we can say that cube root of 74088 is 42, and this is the symbol of cube root. This radical sign, and we write 3 here. This is symbol of cube root. Now we will learn how to find out the cube root of a negative number. Method will remain the same. For example, here we have question, we have to find out the cube root of minus 3375. So we will follow the same method again. Here we will prime factorize 3375 and we get one group of 5 and another group of 3. So from this group we will take out 5, from this group we will take out 3, which makes it 15. So ultimately we can say that cube root of 3375 is 15, but because there was a negative sign here, so we will put a negative sign in the answer. Do take care that while doing the prime factorization or while doing any other calculation, we will not use the negative sign, but because this was a negative number, so in the answer we will put the negative sign.